Hello homeowners and artificial grass enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial grass and sharing some valuable tips on how to keep it clean and pristine. Artificial grass not only offers a lush, low-maintenance alternative to natural grass, but it also needs some TLC to keep it looking its best. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure your artificial lawn remains beautiful and inviting. Let's get started. Segment 1. Regular maintenance. Regular brushing. Use a stiff bristle brush or a specialized artificial grass brush to keep the grass fibers upright. Leaf and debris removal. Regularly remove leaves, debris, and pet waste to prevent buildup. Segment 2. Cleaning pet messes. Immediate cleanup. Quickly remove solid pet waste and rinse the area with water. Use an enzyme cleaner for urine odors. Use an enzyme-based cleaner to neutralize the scent. Segment 3. Stain removal. In a bucket, mix a solution of mild soap or a synthetic turf cleaner with water. Apply the soapy solution to the turf, focusing on any stained or soiled areas. Use a soft cloth or a sponge to gently scrub the affected spots. Segment 4. Dealing with odors. White vinegar solution. Mix white vinegar with water 1:1 and spray it over the affected area. Rinse thoroughly, let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse with clean water. Segment 5. Preventing weeds and moss. Regular inspection. Check for any signs of weeds or moss growth. Use weed barrier fabric if necessary. Install a weed barrier fabric beneath the artificial grass. Segment 6. Power washing. Pressure washer. Use a pressure washer to thoroughly clean the artificial grass. Mild detergent. Add a mild detergent for a more effective clean. In conclusion, cleaning artificial grass is a manageable task with the right approach. Thanks for joining us on this journey to clean and maintain your artificial grass.